Hello everyone, welcome to SA Jewellery and Crafts. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see how to make the best side dish for bhaji. So come on guys, let's start the video. So I am going to make mint chutney, that is Pudina chutney. It is the best combination for bhaji and it is very easy to make. Usually we will add turmeric and red chili powder only for making bhaji, but today I'm going to add coriander powder also because this coriander powder will give more flavor to the bhaji. That's it guys, I hope you all like this video. If you guys like this recipe, please try this out and comment below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you guys, bye.